Hi there and welcome back to another 5-minute first impression. Today we're continuing our review of codacast.com on reviewyour.website. So you might remember from the previous video we had just signed up and we've gone through the whole sign up process through Stripe, which is currently in the testing mode. And we're now on the My Account homepage that's come straight from payment. So there was no real explanation of what happens once we sign up or where we go, so we're completely from scratch here. So what am I seeing is my Codacast plans, basic, advanced, premium, archive. So I'm guessing this is the previous things I've bought or previous plans I've bought. Type basic, purchased Sunday the 8th, which is today, and it's late. Codes created, none of the 5 that they said we could have. And there's nothing else. I don't really understand what's in this. Date created, target, Facebook direct, preview scans. Okay, so I'm guessing, right, so it's saying I have 5 or 0 to 5 codes, and I'm assuming a code is a QR code that we can create. But this table here doesn't say what's in it. So I'm not too obviously there's no information here straight away, so it doesn't explain what's in it straight away, if that makes sense. So maybe a title on the table would make things a lot more understandable. So I'm just going to mess about while I'm here. Archive, nothing archived, basic. This is my current basic plan. Okay, and I can't obviously click on them. Fair enough. So let's create new code. It looks like it's the only other option to me. Again, layout wise, I've said in previous videos, I'm not a huge fan of completely text centered layouts. I'm not too sure how I feel about this one. It's simple enough that it's kind of working, but we've a little bit of a asymmetry going on here with the bold text, bold text, bold text, and they don't line with anything. I don't know, just something to think about. Create new code. Okay, so it's a whole other page, and it's kind of disappointing that we're going to so many different pages throughout this. Not disappointing, but it's a little bit jarring. It feels like obviously I'm going to a different page, but I feel like I'm, it's the word I'm thinking of. It's disconnecting. It's kind of a discontinuance from one part of the website to the next because they're on different pages. A little bit of Ajax loading would be nice. Upload the image you want to embed into your QR code using the upload image button. Alright, so I'm just gonna, don't use it if you prefer to create a QR code with no image at the center. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause this and upload an image. So I've just clicked upload an image, and it's brought me onto another page where I can crop it, and I've just moved this around a little bit. I think I should have started playing again a second ago because I spent 5 or 6 minutes trying, not 5 or 6 minutes, but 5 or maybe 10 or 20 seconds trying to get the diagonal arrow here, because I wanted it to be a square as opposed to a weird long rectangle, but it automatically stays to the right ratio. So maybe, I don't know, just seemed to be a little bit confusing to me. And that's the width and height. Okay, so let's finish that cropping. Okay, and enter the address to which your QR code will be linked. Codacast, nice try, Codacast. Let's go review. I wonder, do I need? Okay, so the example here doesn't have HTTP. I'm not too sure if we need it or not. Let's see what happens. URLs will not be editable until version 2. Okay, review your .website. Use the switch. So I don't know if I finished my sentence there. I might have started typing and then forgot to finish my sentence. Sometimes adding HTTP before the URL, like things like Reddit, for example, if you add a URL without the HTTP before it, it says that it's an invalid URL, and because there's no dynamic validation going on here, I'm not too sure what's going on. But let's click generate QR code. And we have a QR code. How do we look at it? It'd be nice to see a picture of the previous thing. Preview. Oh, oops. Share. I don't know what happened. Click to share the QR code you scanned with your Facebook friends. I didn't scan a QR code. What's going on? Okay, I'm guessing. Okay, it means that share, preview. Okay, so preview and share don't really make sense. Maybe you want to fake a scan or something like that. This should be the PNG that we got. Oh, it's really nice with my stock image that I'm getting a lot of use out of. Yeah, so that's my second 5-minute first impression review. I hope it was useful. Thanks very much.